My head. Huh? Patrick. Hey, Patrick. Patrick, wake up, Patrick. Patrick, what happened?
Hello, SpongeBob and Patrick. I'd like to play a little game. The rules are simple. If this test is passed, then both of you will live to see another day. If you fail, then one of you will die. There is a key hidden inside SpongeBob's brain. This key opens the lock to the door behind you. The door will not open without the key, and if you try to open it without using this correct key, then the room will fill with gas and you will die. Patrick, your handcuffs are unlocked, and you are the only one that is able to move freely about the room. SpongeBob, your handcuffs are also unlocked, but you must never leave your chair, or the key hidden inside your anus will self-destruct. Without the key and your brain removed, you are confined to that chair. Patrick, there is a chainsaw in front of the television set. You must use this device, only this device, to retrieve the key hidden inside SpongeBob's brain. Failure to do so will result in a very severe punishment, in which you will not have ice cream, ever, again. Let the games begin.
What did he say?
I said you won't have any fucking ice cream. Now pick up the chainsaw or die.
Patrick? Patrick,
Be quiet, SpongeBob!
Just think about it. You will never have another ice cream again. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream, all gone.
Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream!
No, Patrick, listen, I can just...
Hold still, SpongeBob!
But Patrick!
I said hold still, SpongeBob!
Yes, that's it, fat boy. Do it for the ice cream. That sweet melts in your mouth deliciousness.
Patrick, look! Ta-da! I'm a sponge, remember?
Good one, SpongeBob!
What the hell is this?
See you later, Billy.
Yeah, see ya! I'm gonna have some ice cream now without you.
This can't be happening. Get your fat ass back here.